Everyone, in this video we are going to see the histology of the testis. Testis is a male reproductive organ which is part of the primary sexual organ in the male. So here is the some identification point of the testis. So first identification point is testis has a outer fibrous layer, the tunica albuginea, deep to which numerous seminiferous tubules are present. The tubules are separated by connective tissue containing blood vessels and the group of the interstitial cells of Leydig. These cells are stimulated by the LH hormone and which secrete the testosterone. Each seminiferous tubule is lined by the several layers of cells. These seminiferous tubules produce the sperm. Passing inward towards the center of the tubule, we have large darkly stained nucleus of spermatozoa and many small nuclei of spermatids. Towards the center of the tubule, a number of developing spermatozoa are seen. The wall of each seminiferous lined by a generation of spermatogenic cells and supporting cell of Sertoli. Now we see the structure of testis. So here you can appreciate not so well diagram, but also you can appreciate the structure of the testis. This is the testis, and which is covered by the three layers. Outermost is parietal layer, then tunica vaginalis, then innermost is visceral layer. Then surround the testis. Inside the visceral layer there is another layer which is called the tunica albuginea, and inside the tunica albuginea the third layer which is tunica vasculosa, and these are the tubules, seminiferous tubules in which sperm is produced. And here is the tubuli recti, which is the form a tube-like structure, and here is the head of the epididymis, and then body of the vas deferens, and then body of that vas deferens. This is the tail of the epididymis, and this continues as vas deferens, which open in the penis. Now we look for the blood testis barrier, which is one of the most important, and you may get many theory related questions in your university examination about the blood testis barrier. So this is the blood testis barrier, in which it is formed by the mostly three things. First of all, this Sertoli cell, basement membrane, and endothelium of capillaries. These three things from the blood testis barrier. This is the Sertoli cell, where this is the primary spermatozoas, where the development of the sperms takes place. Spermatocytes, these are forming into the sperm. This is the tight junction between two Sertoli cell, and this is the basement membrane. This is the endothelium capillaries, and they form a protective connection. They form a protective layer to support this primary spermatocyte, so that it not get destroyed by our own immunity cell, as this is have the different genomic sequence and genomic structure. That's why. Now we look for the histological diagram of the testis. So this is the main histological diagram of the testis. Here you can appreciate each and every cells of the testis. uh, this is the whole thing. This is the compartment, seminiferous tubule compartment here, and these are the Leydig cells in the interstitium. Here you can say appreciate the Sertoli cell. This is the Sertoli cell, and here the developing primary spermatocytes, secondary spermatocytes. They are gradually form into the sperm. This is the sperm. So this is the interstitial space. Here Leydig cells are present and some blood vessels also present. Now we look for the another diagram. This is the overall view in the low magnification. This one is for the high magnification, in which we are focusing only the seminiferous lobule, and this is the low magnification, in which over total we are focusing, in which you can see the various tubules, seminiferous tubules, Leydig cell, then blood vessels, then connective septa present in the testis, then tunica, external layers also, tunica albuginea, tunica vasculosa, blood vessels here you can appreciate. Now we look for the histological slide of the testis. So this is the histological slide of the testis. Here you can appreciate this small thing is seminiferous tubules, and in which sperm is present, and outer part interstitium, which Leydig cells are present, little bit Leydig cells are present, and in which the sperm is present. So this is the histological slide of testis.